Hi Matt, this is Peter Esperanza from Barstow, California, and I'm here to talk about my little pitch about Keynote and how it would help teachers on how to create their own video lessons for their students. Currently, I have 800 math videos that I have been uploading in YouTube, and over the 5 years that I've been working on my videos in YouTube, I was able to create math videos in some methods that I was able to develop through the years. When I started my flipped classroom model, I used this minimal technology wherein I'm just using my whiteboard and my marker and delivering my lessons online. So what I do is I write my own lesson in my whiteboard, hit the record button using my MacBook Pro, and then upload it in YouTube so my students could watch it. This is the easiest and the fastest way on how I record my math videos at the beginning. And then I discovered the use of a document camera. In this second method, I'm using two cameras. One is the camera facing me as I explain my lesson, and the document camera is the tool that I use so that I could show my students how I demonstrate the math lessons that I'm teaching online. And this particular method is pretty effective, especially when I'm teaching calculus or statistics online, because most of the math work involved is pretty heavy on modeling. So when I use this method, I could better show my students how certain problems are done by hand. And the third method that I'm using that I find really efficient is the one when I use Keynote and ScreenFlow in creating my math lessons. In this method, I use ScreenFlow to record my Keynote presentation, and as I go along my Keynote presentation, the camera is also recording my face as I explain my lessons to my students. And as a YouTuber and an online professor, I find this method really efficient in delivering math lessons to students. The only problem is it's really time consuming. And this is the reason why I took the courage of creating a video for you so that I could share with you my ideas on how we could use Keynote as a powerful tool in creating videos as a lesson. I remember when I attended a Keynote workshop in one of the AD institutes that I attended, one of the Keynote developer presented some of the tricks and features of Keynote that we could use as an educator, and he also mentioned that if we have any ideas or if we have any suggestions, we could basically just reach out to them and pitch in our ideas, and hopefully they'll be able to add it as a feature in Keynote. And I'm hoping that with this video message, I'll be able to reach out to you, and with your influence, you'll be able to share this message to the Keynote developer, and hopefully we'll be able to enjoy this feature in Keynote and eliminate the use of ScreenFlow and use Keynote as a primary tool in creating our own video lesson. Although voice narration is currently available in Keynote, I think it's still powerful if students would be able to see their teachers actually delivering the lesson, as opposed to just listening to their voices when they are watching their lessons online. Course, and they tend to forget the deadlines that they're supposed to be working on in that particular week. So make sure that you are building your own routine for your online work so that you won't miss on the important deadlines, because as you know, with this particular feature in Keynote, it will be less intimidating for teachers to try recording their own video lessons so that the students will be able to receive better lessons that they're seeing online. Dr. Mike Hess, who happened to be an AD in Hong Kong, broached to me this particular idea of encouraging more educators to do what I do online. And we thought that if we have this particular feature in Keynote, it would be extremely easier for me to encourage more educators so that they'll be able to help students more in the process. And again, thank you, Matt, for watching my video, and hopefully I'll be able to see you come July for the AD Institute. Thank you. Bye.